Alright, so we're going to do a little bit of painting so that this stuff can go up on my walls. So some real simple painting, pretty boring. But this plywood is going to go up on my walls over there so that I can screw things into it. Don't have to worry too much about hitting a stud. If I want to put some stuff up, tools and stuff, hand tools, accessories, with some French cleats. Don't have to worry too much about it. And we're going to use some of this leftover flat acrylic latex paint. It's white. It's actually Greek villa. It's left over from the ceiling of my kitchen. So we're just going to use that here. Okay. And over at Menards, I got some of this stuff here. They call it the Premium Kit. Master Premium Painting Kit. They're $9.99. And what I like about them is they come with the roller. It comes with 2 of these naps here. And then it also comes with a paintbrush. There, I won't need the paintbrush, but I just want to show you that. These boards are kind of, bowed because they've been sitting in my garage on their sides for a long time, probably a year or two. In fact, these boards now are about $45 a piece. They're just 2x8s, half-inch plywood there. But I bought them when they were like 20 bucks. So now they're more than double the price. And even though wood prices have come down, sheet goods have come down, but supply and demand is a thing, but even more so, the investors, the day traders, the spot versus future contract buyers have come in and kind of wrecked the market. And I don't care what they say about the value that they bring, those traders. Talk about liquidity and all that kind of stuff. That's baloney. This market was doing just fine without them. But now the prices have gone up because people are buying and holding inventory, assuming that their investment will pay off in the future. I mean, on one hand, more power to them. Just don't lie about the value you're bringing to the market is all I'm saying. It's a free country, capitalism. You can do what you want within those rules, but don't lie about it. Don't BS as a way for you to sleep at night and make you feel good about it. You're making money off of people. Is what you're doing there. Just call it what it is. So here we go. I did mix this up, but it might not be perfect. But this is shop furniture. You just want to make sure that you got rid of all of the splinters and different stuff like that might be in there. And we'll just go. So I have these flat because I learned my lesson. I could have screwed these onto the wall, but didn't want to. Have to paint that way. There, so this paint is about a year old, and it's kind of getting disappointing here. It's not sticking well to the product here. Not going on as quick as I expected, so that's something to consider. Like, yeah, you got a bucket of paint rolling around. You, of course, mixed it, but it's still it's not working in your favor here. So really, if you're sticking with this video, you're all wonderful. Like I said, we're just doing some painting here. Nothing too glamorous here. I did think about using a black to make this Stormtrooper colors, but I just worry about what the light will do with a black on top close to the ceiling. So we're not going that route. Okay. To move things along, I'm just going to dump a bunch of paint out. Kind of move it along here. Oh, fuck. Whoops, I just lost YouTube credit there. So I hope my friends John and Jamie are doing well. I know I'm not. Neither one of them bothered to come on over to help me paint here. But that's looking good there. Again, just shop furniture. Want to be smart with it. It's working a lot better than pouring it into that. Yeah, this is working a lot better now. Like I said, you're watching a painting video here. Nothing too exciting. Hope I don't get any thumbs down. I warned you. Warned you, I'm sitting here just doing a bunch of painting. So get this tray out of the way. Gonna move this paint around. I do have melamine underneath, but I do also cover this up a little bit. So just move everything a little bit here. Let me get through. So there you go. I like listening to the Rocky soundtrack while I do my work, especially because it makes me feel like I'm accomplishing something. However small and meaningless it may be. Okay, so I gotta pull this out a little more. Pull out so I have access to my wood, so I can leave some white stuff on it, some white paint. Take care of that. Got a little bit left to do, and you're gonna just see my fat butt. So now I'm gonna pour a little bit of paint back on there. That's about it. Hopefully that's all I need. I don't have to drop another load here of paint. And there we go. That's the first round. We'll see how well it sticks there and try and hit it again a little bit.